Alright guys, so I kind of want to give you guys a little overview of my kayak, all my little upgrades and how I got it all set up and how it looks when I'm on the water. Here you go. Got my camera mount here. This is what you guys be viewing me from, this mount here. I got my rocket launcher rod holders there with my Scotty tracks I just installed in the back here. This rail here, I use these for extra attachments for my rod holders in the back because I'm not going to have a crate actually back here. I'm just running that. And we come down here, we got the Boondocks rudder that is recently installed. We're going to see how that tracks in the water. So we're waiting on to see that too. My sliding seat tray for all my equipment. See, I got my tackle boxes down there. I got three tackle boxes down there. You gotta hold them. They got like a little holder to hold them. I got my speed bag, my Cabela speed bag here. Just sit that right there. I can put it up under there and strap it down if I want, but I just got it right there. Got my extra little bait right there. I got my scissors tied off. I left my actual pliers, so that's gonna suck me on hooking fish. Hopefully I don't hook one too deep today. Got my life vest, of course. You always need your life vest, Cabelas. So that's pretty much it, man. I got my paddle holder there. Got my pedal, so I'm pretty much ready. So it's all set, ready to go. This is pretty much how I'm rolling. Starting off, I got some top water. I got the Guggen crawl, crackling crawl. My famous square bill, that's what was catching all the fish in the last video. That's my famous bait right there. So that's the 3 baits that I'm running. And I'm gonna be probably switching up in between, depends on how the bite going. So guys, see you in the water. Let's get it. All right, guys. So we finally in the water here. Finally got in the water. Took just kind of a minute. I wanted to make sure I got everything I needed and set up. So, like I said, we finally in the water here. We're gonna see how this rudder tracks here. Oh yeah, a lot better already. I can tell I got no hands on it. I'm going straight. Oh, this so much improvement. I'm not even, my hands flew. Hands free. Before I used to have to put that hand on that rudder. I used to have to keep switching back and forth. I know it's a big difference already. Let's see how I can turn here. Big difference. Big difference. And I just did a slow turn. That one isn't slow. Let's see if I can cut it left. Let's see if I can just kind of it turns around. Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I wanted. I wanted to track right. So the tracking of the rudder, that's what they need. Just need to be changed out. I got to turn it on a dime here. I mean on a dime. Let me stay straight when I go forward. Like I just want to go forward. Straight forward we're going to. Going straight forward here. That rudder is heavier, so it's in the water. It propels better in the water because it's heavier. It's aluminum cast, or aluminum, some kind of aluminum, and it's heavier in the water, so it can track better in the water. They use that little plastic rudder that's real thin and plastic, and it doesn't track good. All right, guys, so let's get on some fish. same size. Same size of mine. Too bad. A lot of rain in Michigan is never good. There's so much water and so many lakes here. It's a good thing, but it could be a bad thing. Rain season. One of the day. Put this guy go here. Same size. Water, guys. That's how I do it. Just get it, baby. Got hit again. This time here got me. I'm gonna slowly roll this tank right here now. Just slowly roll it. This bit down here stacked. It's stacked over there. I just was gonna slowly roll it. I knew he was gonna come back here. This little guy here. Another large mouth, man. Crankbait, something. Just gonna go back. I'm loving this kayak, man. I'm really loving the kayak. Really recommend you guys check out Jackson Kayak. You got real good kayaks, man. This kayak is comfortable, it feels comfortable. The drive is nice and smooth. Like I said, the only thing I had to do is change the rudder, and that's the first thing you should do when you order it. You should order the rudder automatically with the rudder. It comes with Jackson Kayak, you know. I hate to say it, but it's true. But yeah, there we go, guys. Have a nice day. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go to the crackling crawl. Actually, the bait that caught me that 6-pounder last year down here. So I'm gonna use this. Crackling crawl is actually the bait that hooked me to that pipe. So I'm using that. Hopefully I can get it to him. Breeze out here, man, with this pedal drive. You can get down way to the rock faster. gas there, so see if they down here. And if they are, guys, we on the popping. It's the second one of the day, or the second one. So that can't cast there. Ate that. He wanted that bad. Alright, guys, so let's see if we can get another one here. Already missed it. Came back for it, guys. Came back for it. Didn't want to do it. Alright, guys, so we might be on to something right here. We got some fish. That little area. I missed the bite and he came back for it. They stacked on that bed right there, guys. They stacked on that bed. And I gotta poke them out of there. See if we can get another one up over there. That guy came back for it after I right back in there. So they sitting up in this bed here and they attacking all these bait fish. See if we'll get Big Mama. They stacked right there. They stacked right there. They sitting stacked, eating up, baby. And they're stacked, eating up, guys. That's how we do it on Bass Slayer Outdoors, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smashing that like button. And make sure you hitting subscribe and dinging that notification bell for more future videos from me. It's been a good day today, man. The rudder worked out good. It tracks amazing. A lot more better than the stock rudder. So I advise you guys, they got Jackson Kayaks to upgrade to get the Boondocks J rudder. It is worth the money. It's 90 bucks. I got it from Delaware Paddle Sports. It's been the best thing that I did to upgrade to this kayak, and it tracks amazing, even in the wind. So like I'm going straight right now. My hand's not even on the pedal. I'm on the steering. I'm going straight, and it's wind. So the rudder works, guys. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Be safe. Until next time, guys. Peace.